to sunshine. It's been a minute, I've been in it, no lie. TLC, it ain't a crime. Stay focused on my bad self. Hocus pocus is a dope spell. Throw a token down the wishing well. My stars glowing, I can just tell. Me, myself, and number one. Most wanted on the front. It feels good to play the lead. It feels good to be live. It feels good to be live.
Happy birthday, Kate!
Alam mo na mahal ka namin. Ito, para sa itong araw na to, gusto ko maging masaya ka.
Nandito lang kami ng mga mami ng nanay mo na laging nakaalalay sa'yo, ano man ang nangyari. At tanda mo anak, sa araw na ito, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos at pinagkalooban ka ng isang magandang kaarawan na naabot mo ang ganito na
Seeing you doing your best, studying. Andito lang kami, lalo na ako. You can talk to me anytime. And kung ano man ang kailangan, andito lang ako. And happy birthday again. Enjoy your birthday.
Our birthday, son of God, happy 18th birthday, Mr. A. Mercado!
Kung sa inyo lahat, magpapasalamat ako toto'y nagkameron ng magandang okasyon sa aking magandang Apo! Pasensya ka na.
Continue a loving daughter of your Papa and God. At keep on praying. So, yun yung kaagapay natin. Magdasal parado. Yan. Happy birthday. Sana, yan, makumpleto mo yung bibilin mo. Okay.
Yung bibigay ko sa iyo ay wisdom. 1,000 words of wisdom. Mamaya na lang.
Kung sino man let's say na naniligaw sa'yo, upakan natin na dadaan mo sa akin. Ha? Pero again, happy birthday, and I'm so happy.
Bayot lang nakalagay dito. I-GG-cash ko na lang yung iba.
You can only get so far if you don't open up your heart. So let's reach out into the dark like we can touch stars. Yeah, we can touch stars. We can touch stars.
Happy 18th birthday, Jalaine! Happy birthday, Happy Kate!
Happy birthday, KK!
Happy birthday, KK! Wish you more blessings to come.
Galingan mo sa pag-aaral.
Tsaka, no boyfriend muna.
Yes.
I have here something that will make you your own Iron Man in a sense. So, sana magustuhan mo. Siyempre, I wish you all the happiness and love that you perfectly deserve. Kasi since sobrang tagal na natin magkakalala, di ba, since kinder pa. I know na sobrang soft and kind-hearted mong tao kahit hindi tayo masyadong always remember na I'm always be here for you. O, kahit sa pagtawid sa kalsada, nandito ako para itawid ka. Fun fact po, hindi po na kaya tumawid mag-isa. Kidding aside, I hope matupad lahat ng wish mo. May soon to be MD. Happy birthday and welcome to Legal.